Hi there, I'm the co-founder here at PPC Geeks, and I want to talk to you about something we find extremely important when we engage with a client, and that's onboarding. Most people come to us because they have a problem with their PPC account and therefore it needs fixing, and there's a temptation to just dive in and start clicking about and trying to remedy some problems. The issue with that is you're not having the objectives set in the right way. You don't get in a car to go somewhere unless you know where you're going. And the same is true for a PPC account. You want to set out the journey, the steps you're going to take to get there, what measures are going to be in place. In fact, any marketing or business project you're doing, you should always define your objectives and the journey. So this is why we have our unique STARS PPC onboarding process, and that's what I want to tell you about today, so you can check if you're getting that service from your agency. So welcome to the world of PPC Geeks onboarding. Our onboarding process is straightforward and effective and crafted to enhance the potential of your PPC campaigns. So here's a breakdown of how our collaborative journey would take place. Firstly, you get introduced to your client manager, your personal PPC expert. Now, unlike other agencies, you actually get a full team when you work with PPC Geeks. You've not just got one account manager who's responsible for speaking to you, reporting if agencies bother to do that, or to actually make the changes in your account. You get a whole team. You have a day-to-day contact, one throat to choke, as we like to call it, who's your client manager. They're overseen by a senior manager, and they liaise with our account management team, both an account manager, a senior manager, depending on the side of your account, and the overall head of paid search and our tracking team to make sure everything is set up in your account in the right way. You do get more value from the team and the resources and the knowledge we have. So you meet your client manager, your primary point of contact for all your PPC related queries, and they're here to ensure your onboarding is smooth and to provide continuous support. They will be with you throughout your PPC journey, not just onboarding. Then we do technical setup. Now, over 90% of the accounts we audit have some kind of tracking issue. So it's important we get all that technical setup done. We'll do a full audit of your current tracking and various other technical setups, merchant centers, analytics, all that kind of thing. We'll handle the technical setup, linking your accounts that are needed, setting up tracking systems, speaking to you about CRM integrations, and prepare everything for optimal performance. Then we set your advertising objectives and define your goals. It still surprises me how many people don't have this mapped out. They don't understand their lifetime value, all those kind of things. So what is your PPC vision? Whether it's increasing conversions, boosting brand visibility, or driving more traffic, we'll tailor a strategy and the KPIs that aligns with your objectives. Then we do a business analysis. This is where we understand your unique position. Every business owner or marketing manager feels that their business is unique in the market, and it's our key is to get that information out of you and tailor that to how the campaigns are set up, the ad copy, etc. We believe in a thorough understanding of your business. Analysis helps us craft campaigns that truly connect with your customers. But the STAR strategy and KPIs are guided by precision here. Our approach is strategic and data-driven. The STAR strategy, so specific, time-bound, achievable, relevant, and sustainable, combined with the KPIs, ensure focused progress towards your objectives, because we're interested in long-term partnerships and relationships. We have many customers who've been with us over 5 years, which in the digital marketing game is very rare. So we attribute our success to having clear, open partnerships. We have creative development and craft your engaging campaigns. This is the first time we're talking about actually doing something in your PPC account. PPC is as much about creativity as it is about data. Our team will develop captivating ad copy and visuals to engage your target audience effectively, and all the other setup that's needed in our account. We move to the exciting phase of actually building the campaigns, selecting keywords, bidding strategies, and ad placements to maximize effectiveness. We have careful and proven methods to move our account to the best practices that we do without throwing the baby out with the bathwater of what's already in there. And then, of course, there's the launch, and that's where we initiate and get live your PPC campaigns. This is the point that we actually take over the full management. We are a full suite management PPC agency. Once everything is set out, we launch your campaigns, and this marks the start of the ongoing process of a refinement and improvement of your PPC journey with us. So begin your PPC journey with us, and whether you're experienced in PPC or new to the field, our process is tailored to empower you and drive your business forward. Let's navigate that PPC landscape together, give you the service that you deserve, and achieve those goals and scaling your business to new heights. Get in touch with our team today and we can help you start this journey. I hope you found that useful to understand what PPC onboarding should be. And if you've got any questions, please let us know. Thanks.